Despite your best intentions and efforts, the reality of your college experience may not match your expectations. It is normal to have ups and downs, to feel overwhelmed, to get stressed out, to be nervous, and to feel sad and lonely sometimes. It is also normal to experience some anxiety, especially in new situations. Even though they may not show it, everyone experiences those emotions. In most cases, those emotions do not last long. The way to lessen those emotions, especially at the beginning of your college career, is to participate in residence hall events, to use your resident assistant as a resource, and to not be shy to approach and meet new people. As you become more established in college, you will learn about yourself. One of the things I learned about myself was the concept of going back to basics. At times during my college career, when my life seemed to become too complicated with roommate issues, friends, relationships, and/or other external distractions, I would go back to basics. For me, that meant to focus on the 2 or 3 things that were most important to me and to ignore all the distractions. The 2 or 3 things that were most important to me at the time were my academics, working out, and my fraternity. By focusing only on those 3 basic priorities, I was able to ignore the distractions, reduce the complications, and feel more in control of my life. Once I began to feel better, I slowly and gradually broadened my focus until or unless my life became too complicated again, at which time I would go back to basics.